Welcome to another round of crypto terms. Today's key concepts are ledgers, distributed ledgers, and distributed networks. Wait, a ledger? Like you mean those leather-bound notebooks with red and black pens inside? Yep, that's right. A ledger is just a record of transactions, typically purchases and sales. Those have been in use for centuries in some form or another. A distributed ledger, on the other hand, is a digital ledger that maintains a record of all transactions at multiple points across the network, rather than a central database. Many cryptocurrency technologies are referred to as peer-to-peer distributed ledgers, as the blockchains are maintained by every node on the network, rather than a central node. To really understand how cool the technology is, let's put it in physical terms. It would be like if you documented all your transactions with a pen inside your notebook, except this time, you also copied that information on several thousand other notebooks. Then you scattered those across the world. With every new transaction, you travel to each notebook and write in the most recent transactions. Imagine doing all of that and how much work that would take. Now imagine that entire process happening automatically in real time with a digital ledger. That's a distributed ledger and the basis for blockchain technology. So what's a distributed network? Much like a distributed ledger, a distributed network is maintained by many computers or similar machines rather than a central bank of machines. Most cryptocurrencies operate as distributed networks. The benefit of a distributed network is that maintenance and continuity of the network continues even if some machines are corrupted or removed. If we go back to a physical example, imagine a standard server for a small business. Typically, that server holds all the historical data of the business. It may simply be an old PC with lots of storage space. Now, imagine if the building had a flood and the business lost everything on their server. Normally, they'd have a backup hard drive of some sort, but what if that also got ruined? With a distributed network, those types of instances shouldn't happen. If a node is corrupted or fails, the rest of the nodes are still there to maintain the full network. Pretty cool, right? Don't let crypto jargon be a barrier between you and financial freedom. Head to iTrustCapital.com for more information and keep it here on our channel for key concepts to learn.